The surveillance video of this attack says plenty about this crime. People's reactions say more.
This is unbelievable. Right here.
Incredible. It's incredible.
Certainly understandable reactions to this incident that happened at 6:46 a.m. on Mother's Day. As an unsuspecting woman walks past a black Honda sedan, out jumps a man pointing a gun at her, and another man, also with a pistol drawn, joins in.
Oh my God. Hit her with a gun. Oh my God, that's incredible.
They look like young kids and they stole her purse.
Police also say one of the young men pistol whips the woman while the other steals her purse. They jump back into the car, but the license plate is visible. Sources familiar with the investigation tell Pix 11 News that the car, with a getaway driver behind the wheel, was stolen, but police have arrested one of the suspects, and investigators believe the robbers are behind similar crimes in two neighboring towns on Sunday. How confident are you that the police will end up catching the other two guys?
I would say probably 100% because the local cop that comes down here, he's there from the morning to the afternoon. They have cops up there constantly all the time.
I feel confident they will get all whoever's involved.
We saw a heavy police presence here in the Ironbound neighborhood, which is known for its shops and restaurants, but lifelong residents say the area is generally under-patrolled.
We need more protection here. We need more cops on the beat.
And this afternoon, the Newark Police Department confirming they have one suspect under arrest. That young man, 17 years old, charged with a variety of felonies, including robbery and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. But they are still looking for two others, another gunman and the getaway car driver. And we have certainly been seeing, in fact, we're about to see one right now, a lot of cops around on this beat. Residents say they hope they can see that kind of presence once the other two suspects are in custody.